Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is Monday, February 26th, 2024, about 8:11 a.m. right now. What we've got planned for today is obviously we're going to start the morning with an ice plunge, and then we're about to come back inside and mark all of our levels out for the day on SPY, QQQ, IWM, and also AMD, guys. Then we will be going to work after we trade for the day, and then we have a leg day planned later in the vlog, so stay tuned for that, guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and go outside and get the ice plunge done with. I think it's about 34 degrees Fahrenheit outside right now, but I have about half a bag of 20-pound of, holy hell, I cannot speak right now. I have a 10, it's probably, basically it's 10 pounds of ice I have to put in there right now. It was a 20-pound bag, but used half already. So let's go ahead and go outside and do that. And then once we are done, we will obviously come back in and get these levels marked out. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get 3 minutes in here. I'm literally just about to jump in. You have to get it in all at once. The more you just sit here and think about it and really just don't get in, the worse it makes it. So let's go ahead and just get in here. Okay guys, it's 8:52 a.m. We are back inside right now, going ahead and getting vlog number 103 uploaded as well. About to go ahead and get all my levels marked out. Yesterday night, I'm pretty sure I already did get some marked out, but I'm going to go ahead, go over them, review them again this morning, and just make sure they're looking good, all that good stuff, guys. And then I'll actually go over with you what I am watching out for today for potential plays. Okay, guys, it is about 9:07 a.m. right now. Let's go ahead and go over the levels that I'm watching today and potential setups. So since we're on AMD, on the chart right here, we'll go ahead and just start with AMD. AMD's chart is a little bit more, just all over the place. It's a little bit more unclear for me, but there's still levels we can play here, and all that good stuff. Always plays you can make. So what I am watching right now is as actually sitting at the kind of the bottom of this channel here on AMD, kind of sitting at this support and demand zone around 174.62 ish, and in between also this 180.69 ish, which is our supply and resistance zone. So if we can get either a retest of either of these, I'm either going to be looking for longs off this level if we get a bounce, or shorts off this level, or longs if we get above, or shorts if we get below this level. Pretty self-explanatory. Obviously, there's more stuff, more confluences that goes into these trades before I actually get into them. I just don't see this come down here and retest this and just get in. Obviously, if you trade, it takes a lot more confluences, all that good stuff to get into a trade. So yeah, that's pretty much what we got watching here on AMD. Sorry, I haven't watched here for AMD. Not making any sense right now. So let's go ahead and move on to I'm not even probably going to play SPY. I really haven't been playing SPY like at all this year, only because I really don't like the way SPY moves and its price action. I really like QQQ a lot more, and they're almost identical to each other. They're both ETFs, so let's just go ahead and move on to QQQ. Okay, here we have QQQ, and as you can see, we're also in a channel on QQQ. I'm either going to be looking for our retest of this support and demand zone around 435.72-ish, see if we can come back down here to get a retest, and then look for a bounce and a play and a long opportunity off there. If we get a rejection off 439.17, look for a potential smaller short opportunity off this level. If we get a break and hold above, look for longs. Get a break and hold below this level, look for shorts. It's pretty much the same thing for every stock, guys. My strategy is pretty simple. Obviously, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and say it again. I'm not just looking for bounces. There's obviously a lot more confluences that go into taking a trade. And with my strategy, I'm just kind of giving you guys, just long story short, kind of what I'm watching for QQQ here. And yeah, it's pretty much all we got, guys, for QQQ. Pretty self-explanatory. And then we will go ahead and check out IWM for our last stock. Here we have IWM, and guess what, guys? Another channel. I'm either going to be looking for a retest at the top or the bottom of this channel. So I guess you could say 198.02-ish or 201. Sorry. Or 201.02-ish. Look for a break and hold above this level for longs. Look for a possible rejection of this area for shorts. Look for a possible break and below this for puts, or look for a possible hold and bounce for longs off this level. Yeah, but it's pretty much everything I got on watch for today. All my levels on IWM, AMD, and also QQQ. Keep you guys updated throughout the day if we take any trades. Let's crush and kill the market today, but also stay patient for those setups. And yeah, guys, let's get it. Okay, guys, it is about 10:13 a.m. right now. I have an update for you guys. We are a little bit more than over break even on our account. Let me go over the trade that we won and then the trade that we just lost. Let me go ahead and pull up AMD. First trade of the day here was on AMD. If you can remember, I was saying I was looking for rejections off this supply and resistance zone pre-market. What I seen was us having very bearish selling pressure coming into the market at open, closing this strong 5-minute candle below VWAP, hopped on the 1-minute chart for my entry, waited for that pullback to about VWAP. Once we got that strong rejection, that's where I got in at. Very, very solid trade here on AMD, but where I went wrong and what I actually messed up on, and I was trying to set my stop loss, but I accidentally set it way too close to what price was at, and then I got filled. This probably almost would have been almost 100% winner if we did, hold this all the way down here to the next next demand and support zone. As you can see, we're bouncing at right now. Accidentally messed the trade up, but either ways, it was still a decent scalp, decent win.
And then the trade that we actually just lost on, unfortunately, which was actually a pretty small loss, I think it was because of the contracts I bought, was here on IWM. This IWM trade actually would have been a beautiful long opportunity if we would have gotten calls. You can see we had lots of buying pressure coming into the market at open here on IWM, had a slight pullback to VWAP, and then had a nice candle form right off of it. That would have been a perfect entry for calls. Could have rode this all the way up. But what I was really seeing us do here on IWM, and the reason I got into calls above this level, I seen us breaking above this 201 level, which is a very strong resistance and supply zone. Seen us, breaking above and having all this, bullish momentum and buying pressure on the day, all that good stuff, guys. It was really having me confident in this trade, and I seen us I waited for this pullback to 201. Once we got that pullback to 201, held that level, got confirmation that we're going to hold this level, had some valid candles close off this level. That's where I pretty much got my entry for calls at. But unfortunately, we did not manage to hold at 201, and I have my stop right below 201. Just a stop loss based on market structure, and that's how all my stop losses are placed. We just stop loss right below 201. Unfortunately, took a small L on IWM. We are honestly barely up on the account today, but we are still up, break even. So with that being said, I'm going to be looking out for other trade opportunities today. Potential setups, but not going to force anything. If we can get another good setup, we'll take it. But I'll keep you guys updated. Kind of unfortunate that I messed up on that AMD trade, because we probably would have been up nice on the account today, regardless of the small loss here on IWM. But I'll keep you all updated. Okay, guys, it is about almost 12 p.m. right now, about 12 minutes until 12 p.m. We haven't not taken any more trades on the day besides one very, very quick win on IWM, which market's moving slow, contracts are moving kind of shitty, so I cut it for a very quick win. As you can see, QQQ and all indices, and also just IWM and AMD are also just moving slow right now. We're barely up on the account, maybe up almost 1%, but that's fine. I'll take that over losing a red day any day. We're back on that mentality, back on that mindset, back on that discipline mindset. And if the market continues to trade like this all day and I see no setups, that means no opportunities, and that means no trades. So I will definitely be keeping you guys updated throughout the day. All right, guys, that is going to be it for the day trading portion of this video. I took no more trades today. Market's just been very, very choppy. Haven't seen any setups. So we're ending the day up about 1% on the account, guys. It's all right, guys. Like I said, I'll take a small green day over a red day any day. So I'm about to go ahead and leave for work here in actually about 4 minutes. So that's when I'll hit you guys next. All right, guys, almost about 3 p.m. I'm about to go ahead and head into work here. We get off at around probably 10 tonight. So that's when I'll update you guys next. Honestly, the next clip after this will probably be the gym. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to the leg portion of this vlog. I'm about to go ahead and get 45 and a 25 in for some squats, 6 to 10 reps. I'm not really looking forward to this leg day at all. Like, I'm not feeling it, but whoever actually really ever wants to do leg day and is ever actually feeling leg day, most people skip it, but it's just pure discipline at this point, and pure mental game discipline. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stretch my legs out, and we're gonna go ahead and get the first set in. All right, guys, go ahead and get the second set in. Really push ourselves. I got the same weight on here at 45 and a 25. So let's go ahead and get it in. Let's go get the last set in. I went ahead and dropped it to a 45 and a 10 and a 5, so let's go ahead and get it in. Okay guys, go ahead and get the first set in here for leg press. I have 3 45s on, a 25 and also a 5. Since the last time we hit leg day, I think we did 3 45s and a 25 for 10 reps. So that's the top of my rep range. So I'm just gonna keep going up every week until we can find a weight where we can't do 10 of. And that's how it's gonna be. So let's go ahead and get the first set in, guys. One more, come on. All right, my legs are feeling crazy right now. Let's go ahead and hit the same weight. So 3 45s, 25, and a 5 for each side. Let's go ahead and get it in, guys. I'm not sure if we'll be able to get 10 this set, but we're about to see. Honestly, I hope not, because we need to hit a rep range where we're not hitting 10. Because last set we hit 10. All right, let's go get the last set in here for leg press. Went ahead and took off the 5, so we got 3 45s and a 25. Bro, my legs are feeling like tight as fuck right now, like just crazy. Oh, fuck. Two more, come on. Okay, guys, going to get the first set in here for prone leg curls. I have 75 pounds on right now, so let's get the first set in. Come on. Alright guys, go ahead and get the next set in for prone leg curls. Still going to do 75, but definitely going to be dropping it down the last set because I'm definitely feeling this shit, so. Okay, let's go ahead and get the last set in here for prone leg curls. I have 62.5 on right now. Like I said, dropped it down. And then after this, about to go hit leg extension, so let's go ahead and get it in. Alright guys, go get this first set in here for leg extensions. I have 130 on right now. Should be fairly easy. So to make sure I'm controlling the weight like I should be, and also having good form, so getting that full extension. So let's go ahead and get in the first set, guys. Alright guys, go ahead and get the second set in here for leg extensions. I actually went ahead and threw in a 5, so we're doing 135 right now. So let's go ahead and get it in. Alright guys, go ahead and get the last set in here for leg extensions. I'm going to keep the same weight, 135. Just push yourselves till failure, and then that'll be it for leg day. So let's go ahead and get it in, guys. Alright. Holy fuck, my leg. Alright guys, it's going to be it for the leg day. About to go ahead, wrap everything up. About to go ahead. Honestly, just 2 things for core today because I'm trying to switch my core routine up and try to do different stuff, but I'm not trying to do research here. Like I'm about to do it like tonight or tomorrow during market, whatever. Of some more core exercises we can hit.
I mean this, and I swear, starting next week, I'm going to start hitting calves as well with legs. I just need to figure out what I need to hit for calves, like what's the best things, what machines, all that good stuff, guys. So I'll see you guys when I go home.
Okay, guys, it's about 12:34 a.m. now. I have been home for a little bit. Went ahead, slammed down this protein shake, and also ate my rice and chicken. Just going ahead and editing the leg video right now, so I'll keep you guys updated when we are done with this. Still just chilling, guys. Still editing the video. Got some ice cream, about 5 scoops right here. The sprinkles were kind of unnecessary. They're definitely all sugar and bad for your teeth as well, but you know, they're kind of good, so it's the risk we've got to take. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, guys, it is about 1:20 a.m. Went ahead, pretty much finished up the ice cream. I'm about to go ahead and just end the vlog here so we can get these last clips in the editing software and get this video rendering and honestly uploaded tonight so we can process overnight, all that good stuff, guys. Like I said, it's going to be it for the end of the vlog, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys made it to the end, and if you are seeing this clip right here, y'all are some real ones, man, for real. I appreciate all the love and support you guys have been showing on the channel recently. We are so close to 400 subs. Want to try to hit that before the end of the month. So with that being said, if you guys are new, make sure to like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it, guys. Thanks again for watching. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.